Hey, how you doing, everybody? It's your boy Vinny B here, and just wanted to uh, give you a little tour of my van. So, the story with me is I was living with my ma, and she's like, "Vinny, you're 38 years old. You can't live here no more." And I'm like, "Ma, where am I gonna go? Who's gonna cook for me?" And she's like, "You're gonna have to figure it out by yourself." And I'm like, "What? Are you kidding me right now?" So I ain't got no money for an apartment or like none of that stuff. So like my cousin, he was selling this van, this piece of crap thing, and he wanted to get rid of it. And so I was like, okay, like that's good. And then I could still park in the driveway at my mom's house and she could still cook for me. Well, that lasted a little while, but she stopped. So anyway, I got this van, so I heard from this girl. Okay, here's the story. Here's the story. So I went to this bar and I meet this girl, and she's like, we're talking. It's going pretty well, of course. I mean, so it's going pretty well. And I was like, we should probably go back to your place. And she's like, I can't go back to my place. My mother's in town. And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, we can't go back to my place. She's like, why not? I was like, cause I live in a van. And she's like, you're a van lifer? And I was like, no, I'm not a van lifer. I live in a van. And she's like, no, if you live in a van, you're a van lifer. That's so cool. She got all excited, and like we went back to my van, and like, you know what I'm saying, I sealed the deal, of course, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, she's like, living in a van is cool. You're a van life, and you should make a video and put it up on YouTube because that's cool. I was like, all right, let's see if this works again. So that's the van right there. It's a 1980 Volkswagen Vanagon. They call it a Westphalia. Yeah, I don't know. It's got that sticker on it, so I guess that's what they call it. But it's like, it's like a moving apartment. It's got everything here. It's got it all. That's where all. That's the chair, but it also folds into a bed. Let me show you this. You're never gonna believe it. You're never gonna believe this right here. Oh yeah. Hold on. I gotta put the camera down. Yep. Oh. So yeah, that makes a bed. There's the covers and stuff. Whatever. So okay, here we go. Here's my kitchen. That's the kitchen area right here. So this pops up. It's a stove, sink, bada bing, bada boom. We got a refrigerator, fucking works and everything. And then that's where I keep my food right there. So this is this area pops up here, and that's if you can believe it or not, that's another bed right there. Yeah, folds out, makes another bed. Guest room, I call it. I got a guest room in this freaking thing, you know what I'm saying? So here, this is what I call my auxiliary kitchen, because I'm out of propane in the other one. So yeah, and then I cook it up right here when it gets a little hotter. Let's check that out right there. Almost. When that gets good there, we're gonna make a cup of coffee. This is my library here. I'm reading that book right there by Zecharia Sitchin. Basically talking about how like aliens came here thousands of years ago and stuff. Can you believe that? And yes, Nico, I can read. People think I can't read, but hey, I can read. That's my that chair flips around and everything there, so I can have somebody come over. Not many people come over, but that girl did, so that's cool. There's my Baylor sweatshirt, because I went to Baylor. Sick 'em pass. So, okay, look, hey, the coffee's ready here. I gotta do something to make sure that I don't burn my freaking hands off. So watch this. Watch this. You're never gonna believe it. Oi! Uh-oh. This is my portable coffee. Oh, let's turn that off right quick. Yeah, so yeah, it is the coffee. Well, there's gonna be coffee here in a minute. So anyway, this is me, and this is me living van life and everything. So I hope you like the video. I'm gonna make tons of video. I'm gonna be like YouTube famous and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Check you later. One more thing I forgot to say. I'm supposed to say you gotta like and subscribe the video, or you know what, things are gonna get ugly. You know what I mean? I mean, you don't want that to happen, do you? So just like and subscribe now, so there ain't gonna be no more problems.